It is a sunny summer afternoon. Alyssa and I were sitting around bored, figuring out what we're gonna do tonight, and we came up with this really fun date idea.
We are going to go to the thrift store and we're going to pick each other's outfits out to wear to go golfing, and we have to wear them. No excuses at all.
Here we go. We just got to DI and I am about to pick out the most ridiculous outfit ever. The shirt.
To probably find shorts before I found the shirt to make sure that the shirt looks good with the shorts. So I just found the perfect pair. Classy. I think I found the perfect vest. Look at this. Don't look! Here comes Mason. I found Mason.
I think I got the outfit, so now it's time to take her home, get her dressed, and then we're going mini golfing. Alright, you see, it's time to go golfing, you see. My costume for her is so good.
Just got to the golfing place and the people are already looking at us like we're crazy, and Mason is doing what he does best and staying in character. Not bad.
What are we gonna do?
We are going to go to DI and we're going to pick each other's outfits out to go golfing. And
You wanna try that one again?
yeah.
Hey! Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're trying these dates out. That's sort of the purpose of this madness that we call It's a Date, is for you to get out there and try something a little wacky, a little fun, a little creative, and impress that person that you care for. Anyway, if you enjoyed Alyssa's vaudeville act, please comment below and let us know what you think. And there's a little button somewhere around here that says subscribe. Click on it.